So today we're going to show you how to set up your own Minima node on PC using Windows. There is a few other ways to set this up. You can do it on Android, Mac and a couple other things, but we'll cover that in some other videos. So the first thing that you want to do is come to minima.global. Once you're here on the home page, you'll see run a node at the top. So if you click over here, this will take you to the page where you can find all the information for setting up and running a full node, depending on which device you're on. So there's some really useful information here. Obviously what we need is at the top. It is important to note that you're going to need Java installed on your laptop or PC to run this. The Minima file will be a JNLP file or JNLPX file. So step 1, open web start. You want to get that downloaded. This is just going to allow Minima to run in the background. So on the left hand side, depending on the operating system, just get that installed, accept all the basics like the terms and conditions, pretty much all the default settings. It's pretty much the same process as well to run on Mac or Linux. So here I've already got the file downloaded, but once you've got that downloaded and you've also got open web start, then you can launch it. So here just accept all the standard stuff. So yeah, it's as simple as that to get it installed. There's a couple of more steps just to get the node up and running. But here you just add the shortcut to the menu in the desktop. So you just need to wait for this to load where it says starting Minima. And once that's loaded, you can click open. At the top here, you've got a few separate bars. The one that you're going to need is the settings bar. At the top of that page, it will show you the password. And obviously on your browser, it's going to try and tell you it's an unsecure connection. You just need to press it, accept in advance. Over here in your settings, just copy and paste that password into your login. So I've already done this part, but you will need to either add your own connections or just connect to the network automatically. As you can see in the top right hand corner is where we can see whether or not we're in sync with the latest block, and we'll have a red unlocked padlock there. So that's just going to let us know that the node's unlocked. The first thing you're going to want to do is come over to the security dApp. And from here you're going to be able to view your seed phrase. So yeah, in order to lock your private keys, you're going to want to look at your seed phrase, make sure you've got that noted down, and then lock your private keys by creating a new password. And from the settings here, you can share connections, add connections, and there's also like an onboard tutorial, so it'll just give you a quick explanation of what each application does. So yeah, just have a scroll through. We will be covering some other videos going more into depth into certain applications, what you can do with them. If you've had any issues up until now getting this up and running, just drop us a comment and we'll try and get back to you and get it resolved as soon as possible.